He's breathing really hard.
Really?
Are you okay? He kind of landed pretty.
Oh, God.
Nice work. You got the bird. You got the bird, Bill. Nice job. Congratulations. Congratulations, you got it. He is panting. Zelda's over there. Zelda, what's going on? You watching this go down? She's like, who is this young hooligan? Who is this young hooligan, Zelda?
Remember when you used to like playing with it?
She does like playing with it. Oh, it's sad. Oh my god, it's funny.